Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to Current Affairs Influx. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. October 9th, we observe World Migratory Bird Day. And theme for the World Migratory Bird Day 2021 is Sing, Fly, Soar like a bird. And every year, the World Migratory Bird Day is officially celebrated twice in a year since it is started in the year 2006. And the first it is held on the second Saturday of May, and again it will be celebrated on the second Saturday of October, where it falls on the 9th of October 2021. And this day is observed to spread awareness for the need to conserve migratory birds and their habitat. Whereas this day is organized by the collaborative partnership among the two UN treaties, namely the Convention of Migratory Species and the African Eurasian Migratory Waterbird Agreement. Next one. October 9th, we also observe World Post Day. And the theme for the World Post Day 2021 is Innovate to Recover. And the World Post Day is celebrated every year on October 9th on the for the to remember the establishment of the Universal Postal Union in the year 1874 in the Swiss capital Bern. And the purpose of to celebrate this World Post Day is to create awareness of the role of the postal sectors in the people's and the businesses everyday lives and its contribution to the social and economic development of the countries. Next one. India's newest tiger reserve in Chhattisgarh. The National Conservation Authority has approved the Chhattisgarh government proposal to declare the combined areas of Guru Ghasidas National Park and the Tamor Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary as a tiger reserve. Now, the Chhattisgarh has four tiger reserves. This is the fourth tiger reserve, which is uh, which is announced by the National Tiger Conservation Authority. And the remaining three tiger reserves are Udanti, Sita Nadi, Indravati, and Achnakmar Tiger Reserve. Where the Chief Minister of the Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel and the Governor of Chhattisgarh is Anusuya UK. Next one. Maharashtra government launches Mission Kavach Kundal, which is a special COVID-19 vaccination drive. Yeah, the Maharashtra government has launched the mission called Mission Kavach Kundal, which is a special COVID-19 vaccination drive with the target of inoculating the 15 lakh people every day. And this is a week-long drive which has been organized from the 8th of October to the 14th of October 2021, where it, where it is under the PM Modi's 100 crore vaccination drive, where the Maharashtra is said to vaccinate 15 lakh people every day. And the governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshari, whereas the chief minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Next one. Tata Group wins bid for Air India with 180 billion rupees. Yeah, the Tata Group has won the Air India after 60 years, nearly after 60, that is 60 years, with a rupees of 180 billion. And now the Tata Sons has the 100% stake in the Air India. If we see the history of Air India, the JRD Tata has founded this airline in the year 1932, and then it is named as the Tata Airlines. And after the government has nationalized the airline in the year 1953, the JRD Tata is continued his chairman for this Tata Airline for so many years. And now the government wants to sell its 100% stake in the Air India. So by taking the chance of the selling of this Air India by the government, the Tata group has reacquired its own airlines after nearly after 60 years. and now the government wants to sell 100% of this Air India stake because it has losses ever since its merger with the domestic operator Indian Airlines in the year 2007. Next one. WHO approves the world's first ever vaccine against malaria. The World Health Organization is recommending widespread use of RTS yes slash ASO01. RTS yes is a vaccine which is approved by the World Health Organization against malaria, where many vaccines have exist against viruses and bacteria, but this was the first time that WHO recommended broad use of vaccines against a human parasite. Where this recommendation is based on results from the ongoing pilot program in Ghana, Kenya, and the Malawi, where that has reached more than 8 lakh children since 2019. And the symptoms of malaria are fever, headache, and the muscle pain. And some may have the chills, fever, and sweatings. Hey, the president of WHO is Tedros Adhanom, and it is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, whereas it is founded in the year 1948. Next one. The sixth edition of India UK military training exercise Ajaya Warrior has commenced at Uttarakhand. Where this is the sixth edition between the India and UK joint company level of military exercise called Ajaya Warrior, and this exercise is a part of initiative to develop interoperability and sharing expertise with friendly foreign nations, where the armies would familiarize themselves with each other weapons, equipment, tactics, techniques, etc. Next one. Wrestler Anshu Malik becomes India's first woman to win silver at 2021 World Wrestling Championships. Yeah, the Anshu Malik has created history and become the first Indian woman finalist at the World Wrestling Championship 2021, and she became the first female player from India to claim a silver medal. And she won the silver medal in 57 kg freestyle bout category, whereas the gold medal is won by the US player Helen Lois Morales. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.